Here at CES, we are signing a wide-ranging MOU to explore an initiative to realize the next leap in industrial productivity using agentic AI. To help me tell you more about this exciting collaboration, please welcome to the stage Dayan Rodriguez, Corporate Vice President of Manufacturing and Mobility at Microsoft. I'm so glad you are here. Maybe you tell us or everybody a little more about the project.
Happy to. Let me start with a little context. The world is changing, and so are the requirements for doing business in this AI era. Companies are navigating new layers of complexity and rapid technology evolution. In our factories, connecting diverse value streams is challenging. Therefore, we must evolve with new ways of working. But it is easier said than done. Many factories still operate with legacy systems, and they need to evolve intentionally and thoughtfully. At the same time, the value of data continues to grow in these systems, but the ability to interpret and derive decisions is increasingly difficult. This is where we come together. Working together, Bosch and Microsoft, we want to harness agentic AI to help transform factories. This powerful technology can make sense of this data and then autonomously make decisions that are pre-validated, and execute tasks to optimize production, maintenance, and supply chain. It's like adding another layer of intelligence to our factory processes.
In fact, what we're doing here, we're calling manufacturing co-intelligence. Bosch's deep industrial knowledge forms the basis. Bosch brings decades of manufacturing expertise to the table, as well as the lifecycle data insights leveraged from more than 1 billion products and 700 million digital twins in our own AI-enabled factories.
Exactly, and in combination with Microsoft's IT infrastructure and software expertise, we want to create an open, scalable, and secure ecosystem that empowers our customers. Our collaboration aims to see beyond data, to understand its real-world meaning, and it's going to help manufacturers evolve to meet the challenges of the future. We want to give them the tools to make smarter choices and boost efficiency, while we are ensuring the maximum quality and flexibility. But we also want to make manufacturing more human-centric, don't we, Dayan?
Yes, totally. Central to our vision is a factory that empowers and onboarding its workers. Our goal is simplify solutions. But at the moment, when something goes wrong on a production line, like a machine malfunctioning, for example, it's all hands on deck. Maintenance technicians, engineers are often called out in the middle of the night, or on weekends or holidays. I was one myself many years ago, to fix problems and get production up and running again as soon as possible. This is very stressful, inefficient, and trust me, fixing large machines under time pressure is not without risk either. With agentic AI monitoring all processes, even minor deviations can quickly be identified, and a solution can be recommended on the spot, long before they cause a catastrophic failure. Meaning, of course, a safer, lower stress, and yet more productive workplace for everyone.
And of course, that productivity translates into savings. In our own operations, as well as those for our pilot customers, we're seeing integration costs slashed by up to 70%. And when evaluating predictive warranty savings, we see savings of up to 1/3.
And our agentic approach also delivers much greater reliability on the semantic level. Thanks to their integrated domain knowledge, our AI agents respond to questions correctly up to 3 times more often than isolated AI systems. And our agents save time, reducing the manual effort needed for tasks like fact-finding, data consolidation, and documentation by up to half.
Yes, the impact is profound. Thanks to our deep and powerful blend of deep industrial knowledge and cutting-edge technology, we hope to transform manufacturing landscape and the life for those that work there. Together, we are contributing to the development of a new future, where humans and machines work together intelligently and cooperatively. And we are probably calling this our manufacturing co-intelligence vision.